Good job. Okay, so let's do some reading, please, Zoe.
Okay. There are many kinds of machines. Most machines like make doing work
Here.
easier. They do this by
Reducing.
reducing how much push and pull is needed to do work. It is hard to imagine life without machines to help people do work.
Good job. Okay, well done. So let's just have a look at this word again. Imagine.
Imagine.
Great job. Reducing.
Reducing.
Good. Okay, so we are just looking at machines and where they started. So they say there are many kinds of machines. Most machines don't make doing work easier. So that's why they want to make machines. So it makes things for us easier. So it says they do this by reducing how much push or pull is needed to do work. So reducing just means, making smaller or taking away. So it is hard to imagine life without machines to help people do work. Great job. Well done.
Some machines are simple. They have very few parts. They are called simple machines. A hammer is an
Example.
The hammer is an
Example. Good job.
Example of a simple machine.
Great. So we have very big machines that help us with very big jobs. And then you get simple machines like the hammer, which we use. What do we use a hammer for?
Hammer.
Yeah, what do we use the hammer for? Can you think? Do you know? So if we need to hang up a picture, we use a hammer to hit a nail into a wall.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so that is a simple machine. Great job.
Simple machines have been around for thousands of years. Early humans probably used a wooden pole
You move heavy rock.
to move heavy rocks. The pole had one of the first simple machines.
Excellent. Well done. Good try. So we say the pole was one of the first simple machines.
Yeah.
Yes, and you can see here in the picture, the early humans probably used these wooden poles to move heavy rocks. So that was the first simple machine. Okay, great job.
There are four main types of simple machines. A lever is one kind of simple machine. It makes work much easier.
easier?
Easier.
Good job.
A bottle opener is a lever. It makes it easier to open a bottle.
Excellent. Well done. Okay, so we look at this word again. Types.
Types.
Good job. So there are 4 main types of simple machines. A lever is one kind of a simple machine. It makes work much easier. So they give us an example. A bottle opener is a type of lever. So you have to put it on the bottle and you have to push it up. So push it up is a type of lever. Yes, great job.
Include plant is another kind of simple machine. It makes work much easier. The RAM is an include plant. It makes it easier to move things into a truck.
Great job. Well done. Okay, so let's look at this word. Inclined.
Inclined.
Okay, so an inclined plane.
Plane.
So if you have a look here at this picture, this man is pushing on an incline, which just means it's standing at an angle like this. So it must be facing up. So that is an incline. If it's at this angle and it's going up, we call that an incline. So he's using the incline to push these barrels onto that trailer in the truck. Okay. So let's have a look at this word again. Inclined plane.
Inclined plane.
Excellent. Well done.
The inclined plane uses
Less force.
less force than lifting things straight up and into the truck. But with the inclined plane, you have to move things greater distance.
Good job. Okay, so they say an inclined plane uses less force. Because remember, you're just having to push it up. Then lifting things straight up and into the truck. But with the inclined plane, you have to move things a greater distance. So that means you have to go further. You have to move it more if you're wanting to use an incline. Great job.
The wood is a simple machine. It makes work much easier. It is real to break.
Okay, let's start again. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, that's a very good try. The wedge is a simple machine.
The wedge is a simple machine.
Good job. It makes work much easier.
It makes work much easier.
Great job. It is really two back to back.
It's really two back to back.
Excellent. Inclined planes.
Inclined plane.
Well done. That was very good. A knife is an example of a wedge.
A knife is an example of a wedge.
Great job. It makes it easier to cut things.
It it makes it easier to cut things.
Excellent. Good job. Well done. So that was such a tongue twister. If you're talking about two back-to-back inclined planes, I can understand why it was a little bit difficult, but you did a very good job. Well done.
A pulley is a kind of simple machine. It makes work easier. The flagpole was a simple pulley. The pulley makes it easier to rest and lower the flag.
Great try. Well done. Okay, so we say a pulley is a kind of simple machine. It makes work easier. Okay, so let's have a look at these sentences again. Can you repeat after me? The flagpole has a simple pulley.
The flagpole has a simple pulley.
Good job. The pulley makes it easier to raise and lower the flag.
The pulley makes it easier to raise and lower the flag.
Good job. Lower.
Lower.
Great. Excellent.
Sometimes two or more pulleys are
Fine.
combined.
Okay.
They
Refuse.
refuse the
Amount.
amount of push and or pull needed to do work.
Excellent. Well done. Okay, let's just have a look at the one sentence. Let me just get my pen. Yeah, so let's have a look. They reduce
They reduce
the amount of push or pull
the amount of push or pull
needed to do work.
needed to do work.
Great job.
A wheel and axle is another kind of simple machine. It makes work much easier.
Yes, well done. That was great.
The doorknob and the steering wheel are wheels and axle. The doorknob makes it easier to open a door. The steering wheel makes it easier to turn a car.
Yes, well done. Okay, so the doorknob and steering wheel are both wheels and axles. So we use the doorknob to open a door. So it makes it easier to open a door, and we use our steering wheels to turn our cars. Great job.
Yeah. In time, people learn who and combine on or more.
So let's start this together. You're doing a very good job. This is a big paragraph. Let me help you. In time, people learned how to combine.
In time, people learned who to combine.
Good job. How?
How to combine
One or more simple machines.
one or more simple machines.
Good. These machines are called compound machines.
These machines are called compound machines.
Great job. A can opener is a compound machine.
A A can opener is a compound machine.
Good job. A bulldozer is also a compound machine.
A bulldozer is also a compound machine.
Good job. It has many moving parts.
It has many moving parts.
Yes, well done. That was great. Okay, let's look at the last page. The can opener has 3 simple machines.
The can opener has 3 simple machines.
The turning knob on the can opener,
The turning knob on a can opener
is a wheel and axle.
is a wheel and axle.
Good job. The hinged handles form a lever.
The hinged handles from a lever
Form a lever.
form a lever,
Good job. And the cutting part is a wedge.
and a cutting part is a wedge.
Good job. You've done all your reading. That was super. Well done. Okay, so read and choose the best answer. Okay, so I'm going to read this one to you. I accidentally clicked the right answer. So which of the following is an example of an inclined plane? A ramp, a hammer, a bottle opener, or a pulley? Which one do you think it is? Remember, the ramp goes like this. Do you think it's a ramp? Remember, an inclined plane needs to sit at an angle like this. So a bottle opener works like this, and the pulley works like this, and the hammer works like this. But the ramp goes like this. Which one do you think it is?
A ramp.
Yes, good job. So we say a ramp.
A ramp.
Which is an example of a lever? A ramp, a bottle opener, a knife, or a steering wheel?
B. A bottle opener.
Good job. What is an example of a wedge? A knife, a hammer, a flagpole, or a can opener? You think it's a knife? Let's see. I think
D.
it's a knife. Yes, let's look. Perfect. Okay, let's look at question number 5. What is a compound machine? Something that is used as a lever, something that is made up of more than one simple machine, something that makes it easier to raise and lower a flag, or none of the above.
B.
B, good job. Something that is made up of more than one simple machine. Excellent. Okay, which machine is not a part of a can opener? A wheel and axle, a wedged, an inclined plane, or a lever? What is not part of the can opener? I think it's inclined plane. Should we check and see? Yes. So an inclined plane is not part of a can opener. Good job. What can you use a lever for? To cut something, to move heavy rocks, to pull a wagon, or all of the above? What do you think it is? Let's see. We can click on it and we can see if it's correct. Which one do you think? Let's check if it's C. Oh, not C. Okay, so let's see. We could say all of the above. Nope. To move heavy rocks. Okay, good job. So now comes the important part, okay? We're going to do our word. Okay, so what is a ramp? Which one do you think it goes to? So a ramp let's say is a surface connecting a higher or lower level, like a slope. Okay. A bottle opener is a device for removing metal from the top of a bottle. Okay, which one do you think an axle is?
Axle first.
Yes, good job. And then a wedge is a piece of wood or metal with a pointed edge at one end. Good job. Okay, so here comes the important part. We need to do our sentences. We only need to do 3 sentences. So let's get started. Let me just draw this quickly. So we have a clear space. Okay, which 3 words are we going to use? Let's start with ramp. Can you think of a simple sentence with ramp? Can you think of a sentence that has ramp? So we can maybe say ramps are used to move objects. Okay, can you read that sentence for me?
Ramps are used to move objects.
Good job. Okay, can you think of one for bottle opener? Of a sentence. What do we use a bottle opener for? You could say we use a bottle opener to open bottles. Can you repeat that? Can you say that for me? We use bottle openers to open bottles.
We use bottle openers to open the bottle.
Good job. So all we would need to say there is we use bottle openers to open the bottles. Okay, we need to just do one more sentence before we go. Okay, can you think of a sentence to do with wedge? What simple tool is a wedge? Can you remember? Remember, a knife is a wedge. Can you think of a sentence with knife and wedge? How about a knife is a wedge, or a knife is considered a wedge? Can you repeat that? Can you say a knife is considered a wedge?
A knife
is considered a wedge.
A wedge.
Okay, that was a very good try. Well done. So we are done with our lesson today, but that was very good. So I see there are a few little things that we need to work on together, but we will do excellent work. Okay, very well done today.